Today, we're going to show you how to customize the watch face on your Garmin Adventure watch. In this video, we will be using a Fenix 8 AMOLED Edition, but the process is similar on other devices. Since there are 3 different methods for customizing the watch face, we will break this video into 3 sections that you can access from the description or timeline. Each watch series has its specific watch face only available on that series. However, in this video, we will show you how to modify the data it provides to fit your needs and how to select from other built-in options. For this process, you will only need your watch. From the watch face, press and hold the up menu button to access the menu. Press the Start/Stop button to select watch face. To create a new watch face, select Add New. Then scroll down through the default watch faces. Press the Start/Stop button to select the one you would like to use. To edit the watch face, press the Start/Stop button. If the watch face is already set to your liking, select Apply. Or scroll down through this menu to modify watch face settings like styles, data, color, and much more. We will just show you how to adjust the data, but the steps are similar for other options. To adjust the data fields, select Data. One of the data fields will begin bouncing. This indicates the field that is being modified. To change it, select the data field. Then press the up or down buttons to scroll through the available data options. Once you find your preferred data, select it. Scroll down to move to the next data field. Keep repeating this process until each data field is set how you want it. Once complete, select Done. Scroll up and select Apply to complete your new watch face. In this section, we will cover installing watch faces from the Garmin Connect IQ store. Connect IQ offers thousands of downloads to customize your watch. To get started, make sure your watch is paired with the Garmin Connect app. Then install our Garmin Connect IQ app to your compatible smartphone. In this video, we will be using an Apple iPhone, but the process is the same for Android devices. To begin, open the Connect IQ Store app. The main screen will show top downloads for watch apps, data fields, music services, watch faces, and widgets. In this video, we will be guiding you through installing a watch face. However, this process will be similar for these other Connect IQ downloads. Before we get started, if you have more than one Garmin smartwatch, you'll need to choose the watch you want to modify. Select My Device, then select the 3 dots in the top right. Now tap Select a Device. Then select the watch you want to change. Select Search. Then Watch Faces at the top. The list is sorted by the most popular, but you can also search by design or title. In this example, we will select Medalist from the main list. On the Info tab, you can review information about the download, including screenshots. To install the watch face, select Install. Confirm any license agreements to proceed. The installation will begin. Once complete, the watch face will change automatically. In addition, some Connect IQ downloads offer customization. To access the available settings, select the app type. Then select the title of the installed download. Select Settings and adjust the available options to fit your preferences. Once the changes are complete, select Save. The changes will automatically sync over to your watch. In this section, we will cover using Garmin Faceit. It allows you to use your own photos as the watch face. To get started, make sure your watch is paired with the Garmin Connect app. Then install our Garmin Connect IQ app to your compatible smartphone. In this video, we will be using an Apple iPhone, but the instructions are the same on Android devices. To begin, open the Connect IQ Store app. Select Faceit. Select Get Started if this is the first time using Faceit. This will install the default Faceit watch face to your device. Then select the plus icon. Select either camera to take a new photo or photos to search your smartphone's photo library. Then allow Garmin Connect IQ access to your smartphone's photo library. After you add your photo, select a watch face design. Then adjust your photo by pinching and zooming the photo or press and hold to move it. Data fields on the watch face can be moved by touching and dragging them to where you want. Next, we can set the accent color by selecting a data field. Then, select a color. Swipe over to adjust the font. Once you are finished, select Done. Then select Save to name your watch face. Select Install to download your new watch face. Once the automatic sync is complete, it will be displayed on the watch. And that's it. Thanks for watching. To learn more about your watch, please see our other videos or visit support.garmin.com.